Understanding the working principles of a defibrillator is essential for effectively using this life-saving tool. Here's an overview of the key principles. The primary function of a defibrillator is to identify and correct abnormal heart rhythms known as arrhythmias. Arrhythmias can be classified into ventricular fibrillation, VF, or ventricular tachycardia, VT, both of which can lead to cardiac arrest. There are two main types of defibrillators, AEDs and manual defibrillators. AEDs are designed for use by non-medical personnel and provide automated prompts to guide users. Manual defibrillators are typically used by trained medical professionals and allow for more manual control over the process. Defibrillators utilize electrode pads that are placed on the patient's chest. The placement is crucial and typically involves one pad on the upper right chest and another on the lower left side. These electrodes detect the electrical activity of the heart. Once the electrodes are in place, the defibrillator analyzes the patient's heart rhythm. This is usually done automatically by the device, and in the case of AEDs, it often involves audible prompts for the user. Defibrillators are programmed to recognize shockable rhythms such as ventricular fibrillation or ventricular tachycardia. In these cases, the device determines that an electric shock is necessary to restore a normal heart rhythm. When a shockable rhythm is detected, the defibrillator delivers an electrical charge to the heart. The electrical energy is transmitted through the chest wall to the heart muscle, with the aim of depolarizing the heart cells and allowing the natural pacemaker to re-establish a regular rhythm. If the defibrillator determines that the heart rhythm is non-shockable, for example, asystole or pulseless electrical activity, it may provide prompts for cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR, instead. AEDs, in particular, have user-friendly interfaces with visual and auditory prompts to guide the rescuer through the process. Clear instructions are provided to ensure correct electrode placement, analysis, and, if needed, shock delivery. Some defibrillators, especially those used in hospitals, offer continuous monitoring capabilities. This allows medical professionals to observe the patient's heart rhythm continuously and intervene as necessary. Many modern defibrillators are equipped with features that allow them to communicate with emergency medical services. Information about the patient's condition and the shock administered can be transmitted to medical professionals for ongoing care. Defibrillators undergo regular self-tests to ensure that they are in working order. These tests check the battery status, electrode integrity, and overall functionality. Understanding the working principles of a defibrillator is crucial for anyone tasked with using this device in an emergency. Training, practice, and familiarity with the specific defibrillator model being used enhance the effectiveness of the response to a cardiac emergency.